guys, today let us discuss about meiosis process. First I am going to show you the sequence and later I am going to explain the main basic funda of meiosis. Later I will explain all the process of meiosis, okay? So first let us understand the sequence, okay? Like sequence, okay? Sorry, wait. Sequence. First you know DNA, okay? DNA is a double helix structure. Later you know like it's a negatively charged because phosphate group is present which gives it as a negative charge, okay? Later like second sequence is that to this DNA and all you just consider like it's a double helix DNA. Later all histones will bind and it make up and it histones and it make up a nucleosome, okay? These nucleosome compact model, they'll compact and they'll form chromatid, like what you call like chromatid will be like this, and this chromatid condense, they'll condense and they'll form chromosome, okay? It's a basic funda. So first you understand, okay, like after DNA synthesis occur, prophase the DNA synthesis will occur. First it's a chromosome. If DNA synthesis occur, chromosome number will be same, but only DNA will be doubled. Like we can show it by the structure. It means that only DNA is doubled, no chromosome is doubled, or it doesn't have any effect on chromosome, okay? Like it says chromosome as itself, but only the DNA is doubled, okay? So like it is the main point where all get confused. So like now I'll explain the process, like what do you call this meiosis process, okay? So meiosis process, it's a reduction division and it's a very important process in what do you call continuing the generation after generation, transferring the message from parents to offspring. It's a very important process. Later it's a process, and let us consider this. Let us consider as a maternal chromosome and this as a paternal chromosome. Maternal it is from mother and it's from father, okay? So this is a meiosis process and these are from mother, 2 chromosomes, 1 2, and next it's a what do you call this? It's a meiosis process. And next this compaction of chromosome occur and the DNA doubles here, so we can show it by this process. Like maternal chromosome is represented by dark structure and paternal by light, okay? So like they will double, only the DNA is doubled here, the chromosome is not doubled. So and later this process, like these spindle fibers are present here, that spindle fibers are present here. So I am not trying to do that, I am just explaining the main concept here, okay? So later what will happen, this will align here, and later in telophase, like in this process, like exchange of some DNA in non-sister chromatids occurs, okay? Leave that time. After that it's a telophase, okay? In this telophase the cytokinesis take place, and your new cell will be formed, which will be having this. It's first one, it's a meiosis one process. Okay, I'm going to mention it's a meiosis one. Okay, so wait a bit. Sorry. It's an interface, it's a prophase, it's a metaphase. One, first is the meiosis of metaphase, it's an anaphase, it's a telophase. Okay, first it's telophase 1. So later it's a meiosis 1 is the reduction of chromosome. Chromosome will be reduced, like only same chromosome. I said the difference, like it's a chromosome and it's also a single chromosome, but only the DNA is doubled. It's a single chromosome, it's also a single chromosome, but the only thing is that DNA is doubled. The chromosome remains unstable. But here, like here 4 chromosomes were there, no? So here are 2 chromosomes, here 2 chromosomes, but only DNA is doubled. Okay, it's a chromosome, Now let's go to this second. I know, like it's a meiosis 2. It's same as mitosis. Okay, it's same as mitosis process. So see, like I said, there, like we have these 2. I know I said like dark structure is maternal chromosome and light is paternal chromosome. So after this, here also the same thing continues. Spindle fiber, same thing happens here also. I'm just explaining this because if you understand this, you will understand that. Okay, and later what will happen? Move here, and it will move here, and it splits. Okay, and later you will having this. Here also same thing, so it splits into like here also the same process continues, and here like before here 2 chromosomes, here also 2 chromosomes, so there is no any reduction. It's just like like multiplication of the chromosome. Yeah, I think you understand this topic, and thanks for watching.